Hey there and welcome to another video with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a privacy policy on your WooCommerce WordPress footer for free. So you don't need any paid page builder. I'll show you how to proceed it for free. You don't need to pay anything. So let's go now and then I'll walk you through the details. Okay guys, here we are on my WooCommerce WordPress dashboard. So if we scroll down here to appearance, and on appearance, you need to go to menus. You can see that this is my menu here. For example, if I go to header, I select the header menu, right, which is the primary menu. So these are all the items. So I have a home, shop, pages, blog, and contact. And as you can see, these are all the items on my main menu. Or if I would like to add more pages to my main menu, so I just need to select the page. Let's say, for example, I would like to add shop. I just need to click here on add, and the shop page will essentially be added. And then I just need to click here on save, right? And let's visit our main menu to see and refresh and see our shop page has now been added, as you can see. And if I would like to remove this shop page from the main menu, I can just go ahead and click here on remove, and make sure you hit save as well. Let's go on our site here, click here on customize. And here on customize, you need to come here to layout. So on layout, so now let's go to footer and customize our footer and add our privacy policy on our footer. But before we add a privacy policy on our footer, we need to make sure we do have a privacy policy page created, right? So if you click here on pages, for example, and right here, I do have a privacy policy page which I created, right? So if I just click here on edit, that's essentially how the privacy policy looks like. This privacy policy came with this theme, but you can always write your own privacy policy based on your business need and based on what you cover. I'm not a privacy policy expert. You might need to meet someone that knows really well about privacy policies. This one is just like an example. Now let's go back to the previous page. So now you've seen the privacy policy. Now, another thing that I want to mention is I am using a theme called Woocommerce. So if, for example, I come here to appearance and then I click here on themes, you can see that I have a theme here called Woocommerce. So it doesn't really matter what type of theme you are using. So the end result is essentially the same. So now that I have the privacy policy, I need to go back again to appearance and menus. So let's go back now to customize. So I've clicked on customize, and this is how the website looks like right now. Layout. So you go to customize and then layout, click on layout. On layout, you need to scroll down here to footer. And another thing that I want to mention is this theme already came with a footer. You don't need to buy any page builder to build a footer on its own. Everything is already there. So, but you just need to customize it. If I click here on navigate, that's another menu, right? On the navigate, I have the home, catalog, about, contact, and journal. So if I go back to our menu, if I come here and select, for example, a menu called navigate, right? And then I click here on select. So now all I need to do in order to have my privacy policy on my footer, I'll just need to add the privacy policy page under the navigate, and then it will come. I'll just click here on add. You can see now I have privacy policy, and then I just click here on save. And then when I go down to now my page, it doesn't feature here yet, but let me just go ahead and reload the page. Okay, you can see now when you visit the page, I have the privacy policy here. This is how the privacy policy looks like.